Hi guys, join me on this virtual tour to Skerries and you will be able to enjoy plenty of drone views and hopefully you will learn more about this picturesque town. Skerries is located about 35 kilometers to the north of Dublin. Its name originates from the Gaelic Na Skerry. I hope I am pronouncing it correct. It means rocky islands. Initially it was a fishing port and later became a center of hand embroidery. These industries declined in the early 20th century and Skerries became a resort town and a residential area for Dublin. The Skerries mills exist since the 12th century. The complex brings to life the authentic workings of two windmills, a watermill and a bakery from the 1800s. You can join a guided tour if you are curious to explore the Great Windmill or try your hand at stone grinding flour. Unfortunately, when I visited, the guided tours were not available, but this sounds like something fun to do during my next visit. There is also a coffee shop and a crafts shop. I will include a link where you can see the current prices and book your guided tour. The south strand of the Skerries beach is 2 kilometers long and it offers stunning views to the nearby uninhabited islands Shinnick Island, St. Patrick's, Cold Island, Rockabill, and Lambay Island. These islands are of great importance for the migratory birds that stop on their journeys from the Arctic or Africa. Skerries is an amazing place where you can reconnect with nature, enjoy the tranquility, and listen to the splashing waves. You can have a walk along the beach, have a picnic, and watch the seals at the harbor. At the same time, if you prefer to relax in a more active way, you can engage in water sports. There is a water sports academy that was established in the year 2000 and it offers lessons in kite surfing, paddle boarding, kayaking, and windsurfing. The best way to end your trip to Skerries is to go to the main street just across the harbor and have a nice meal and a glass of wine at one of the restaurants. If you like fish and seafood, you're really going to enjoy dining at Skerries because the fish comes straight from the harbor. My favorite restaurant is Stoop Your Head, but I also like the Blue Bar, and I heard good recommendations about the restaurant Goat in the Boat. I hope you have enjoyed the bird's eye views of Skerries, and I hope to see you in my next vlog, which is going to take you to the hills of Tara, the ancient capital of Ireland, and to North and Newgrange Passage tombs that are older than the pyramids of Egypt. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon!